Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar again, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So the breaker structure, well, we had FOMC interest rate news tonight. The breaker structure I was looking for, which was right here, did happen, but it rejected it almost instantly, which is definitely not a very good sign for it continuing down. Now, I was hoping this was a complete WXY pattern, but I mean, who knows? Maybe it's going to turn into a WXYXZ and make another three waves up. Unfortunately, we are definitely in a very sideways market on this pair, and the best strategy in these type of situations are definitely trading the highs and lows of the sideways market. So I guess now that it, rejected structure and went up and tried to break this structure, I think the best strategy for us now is probably to continue to look for longs, maybe trying to take it all the way back up to these highs back here. Definitely a very sideways market, which makes it very, very difficult to get a good read on it. I am a trend trader, and normally I don't trade sideways markets like this. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.